Hey guys, I'm making one more pallet coffee table. The weather's supposed to be good for a week, so I'm going to take advantage of the weather. I've already started some of it. There's going to be the bottom right there. There's my 4 legs I already cut, and this one I'm going to do different on the top. I did half of it already. It's not nailed or nothing. I'm going to try and do the herringbone pattern. Because it's with free pallets, I don't want it to look free, so that's why the last one I did the flag, and this one I'm gonna try and do this just so it doesn't look like it was free. But I gotta cut the other side, stick it all together, and then when my husband is done with his Rocket League tournament, he's gonna show me how to use the nail gun. I've never trusted myself with it, and I'm surprised he does, but he says I gotta learn sometime, so gotta get to work. Again, all I did with the bottom was just take off extra slats, took them off the bottom part so it won't get rotted from the moisture. Just put one there to help brace it. Yeah, I just used one pallet, cut it in half, half for the top, half for the bottom. These legs this time are 22 inches. Went a couple inches taller than the last time. I'll fix that later. Oh, that one, I don't know. We'll find out. This one doesn't look like a wood one. But again, these are the free ones from my folks. When I get this one on, then I'll flip it and use gravity to help me. Gravity is my friend. All right. Down, 2 to go. Strip it. Put the uglier end at the bottom. Oh, I hate those square ends. course, it's never as easy as you want it to be. Strip it so we're fudge you. Either one of them went in. Don't do that just yet. All right. Almost got myself good right there, but I didn't, not yet. Oh, what did it do? Did it just fold out? I think the top just popped right off. I'll put that in later. I'll put in one more to be safe. Touch that one. Is that long enough? Barely. With the legs, maybe I'll put the top on and then I'll put that on. I got the tabletop on. It was easy, just slip over. I put this on. Got these here. I gotta cut the other side now. I need at least 10 of them. Well, 9 if I use that one. I got the saw set up over here. Got it at a 45-degree angle locked in. So now I gotta cut 10 boards and get back to work. I'll make a short one. Too. Some of these I'll come back and cut in half. The nails for the nail gun we have were too long, so I had to use siding trim nails and smack them by hand. I hit my thumb a couple times, but now I gotta trim the edge. I don't have, well, we have a guide, but it's not as long, so hopefully this here will help me. I might have it too close. I did draw a line, but that's too high. It's gonna really mess it up. So I thought that would help. I'll use my finger. I visited my folks, I got my dad's good drill again. It's just battery. Oh, that's real close. I think I'll add a trim. Take some boards and make a nice border out of it. Ooh, that is close, but I'm not on it yet. Uneven because the boards being are free pallet boards. They're not all even, so I might have to use some like epoxy on top. I'm going to cut underneath so I can keep checking. If I cut it too far, then it's going to be a lot more work. Right there, and I think I'll add I have to add some pieces on the end. We'll see. I gotta plot my I'm gonna finish it, but I could tell that it does need another trim border to go around the top. Yeah, that's what I was hoping for. It doesn't look like a free table anymore. I'm not too fond of the nails. But I'll figure something out. Again, it's another free table, so they can't complain, right? Some people do, but the person I'm giving this to, they'll be very grateful. And I gotta plot what I'm gonna do next. But I like it a lot. I finished it for now. Still needs some work. If anybody has any tips, pointers that I can do to make this so it's more even, because it's got bumps in it, so it's not even. I want them to be able to set a cup of coffee on it and it not spill. That's my biggest issue. I love it, except for I just want the top to be even, a nice flat surface. But I need to smooth this out a little bit so it's more flush. But I like it, and at least it doesn't look like a free table. That's my main concern. I don't want it to look free. So I might bust out one more before the Washington weather that everybody knows is rain comes. Because once it starts, it won't stop till it snows. So maybe I'll make one more and just put a free sign and put it on the sidewalk and see if anybody takes it. But I like it. Thanks again, guys. I appreciate you.